Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto.
Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. Today is the 6th of November. In today's video, I'll be talking about Silencio. There's some updates to Silencio. The airdrop is getting increased, so there's some new updates for Silencio peeps. But before I do jump into that, let's have a quick look at the markets because they are doing fabulously well. Everything is pumping and we know why. Bitcoin's looking very juicy. The whole market, $2.6 trillion. That's the first time we broke the $2.5 trillion in a very long time. $188 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is looking very, very juicy. $76,000, and it's on the way to rip through 77. Reach $77,000 just yet, but it's pushing hard towards that line. We're nearing the top attention zone, which is coming up here. Ethereum close to $3,000. I'm waiting for Ethereum to hit 4,000k, back to 4,000k as we were a while back in May of 2024. I know NDO is talking about a $10,000 Ethereum, but I think that's still a little ways away. I'm not sure if that's going to happen in this bull run. It's going to be hard to see Ethereum pump all the way from $2,000 all the way to $6,000. Although I guess never say never. If Bitcoin does do what it's supposed to do, if we can see Bitcoin at 100k by December or sometime early in January 2025, then why not Ethereum breaking above the $5,000 resistance here? But again, $10,000, I'm not sure that's going to happen. In any case, Solana is close to $200 again. Cardano close to 40 cents. Wow, Cardano still a long way to go to those $4 though. Shiba Inu is making a push. Toncoin close to $5 again. Polkadot still struggling, man. Polkadot is quite disappointing, still 21st space. And Litecoin $72. Hopefully, we're hoping for Litecoin to break above $100, man, and Litecoin should be flying off the shelves. Well, it's a tight competition against its Bitcoin rivals, and of course the pressure is on. Federal Reserve slashes interest rates by 25 basis points, sending Bitcoin price towards new all-time highs. So Bitcoin pumped because of the election, the results of the elections, and of course the fact that right now the Fed goes easy on monetary policy. In line with market expectations, the US Federal Reserve reduced its benchmark Fed funds rate by 25 basis points to 4.75% interest on Thursday. I wonder if they were keeping this back for until after the election, because I mean it's a win-win for either one of the candidates, right? If the Fed had released this announcement in case of a Democratic win, that would have secured some kind of pump on crypto and other economic assets, despite the fact that, you know, Trump, who was clearly a supporter of crypto, had not been elected. But since the cards fell the way they did, we did see an additional pump on crypto as well as a nice cut. And so the markets are responding to both the announcement from the Fed as well as the outcome of the presidential elections in the United States. But okay, what's happening with Silencio? Silencio has announced that they're increasing their airdrop. So the initial airdrop was meant to be 5% of the overall token supply, which has now been increased to 7.5%, which means more airdrop for everybody. The Silencio network community has been growing at an unprecedented pace, and in recognition of our incredible user engagement, the Block Sound Foundation, which is in charge of the SLC supply, is increasing the airdrop allocation from 5% to 7.5% of the total SLC supply. It's probably simply due to the fact that the number of people has been growing so tremendously that the allocations per individual user will be minuscule and may not make it worthwhile for people to participate. The bigger the airdrop, the more likely people are to continue participating, because if the airdrop amount drops, then of course everybody starts whinging and people start using the app. There's no incentive for them to continue using the app, and you know, when they're talking about tiny little amounts of airdrops. But this means that more SLC tokens are on the table, offering greater rewards to our most dedicated supporters, while the core structure of leagues and bonuses remains the same. The boost expands the Diamond Hands bonus pool, allowing even more of our top contributors to benefit. With the TGE around the corner, let's dive into how you can make the most of this expanded airdrop and maximize your rewards. So what's changing with the 2.5% increase? So despite the fact that there's a 2.5% increase, the leagues and lucky Silencian bonus remain the same. So nothing changes on that front. It's only an additional 2.5% of the tokens, which is great. Everything else remains the same. The core update is the expansion of the Diamond Hand bonus to include more users, allowing a broader range of participants to benefit from this additional allocation. 3.15 billion Silencio tokens are going to the leagues from the airdrop pool, remain allocated to league standings. The higher your league, the greater your share of the tokens. The Diamond Hand bonus now expanded from 1.5 billion tokens to 4 billion tokens. Reward participants across more ranking levels, offering greater rewards to a broader pool of loyal users. So a little bit more. Actually, well, that's like 3.5 billion tokens or 2.5 billion tokens more. Lucky Silencian bonus, 0.35 billion tokens of the total airdrop is still reserved for 100 random Silencians, selected users. And an enhanced Diamond Hand bonus allocation. One of the biggest changes in the adjustment is the Diamond Hand bonus. Previously, this bonus was allocated only to the top 5,000 Silencians. Now, with the increased airdrop, we're expanding the Diamond Hand bonus to include a broader range of participants, giving more users the chance to benefit from this substantial reward. The Diamond Hand bonus will now be distributed as follows. This is a little bit skewy. I think they should have fixed this ranking. I'm not sure why I guess they wanted to start at the bottom, but even so, it should be 25 to 20,000, right? We're going from 20, the larger number, to the smaller, not smaller to the larger. So weird. I think the numbers are a bit wonky here. Anyway, not the point. So basically, if you want to be in the top 5,000 right now, so from 10,000 users to 5,000 users, 625 million tokens are being allocated. And you notice that the numbers are different. So the lower you are, the smaller your share will be. So the first 25 or 20 to 25,000 to 20,000 users will receive a share of 125 million, while the largest share goes to the people between the 5,000 to 2,501 rank. So about 2,500 people plus or minus will receive a share of 687 million tokens. So if you are within this, you're getting a nice cut. And then 1,500 people will be able to share, will be sharing 625 million tokens. 500 people will get a cut of 375 tokens. Well, I mean, the best outcome is obviously anybody who's ranking between 1 and 10, because they get a share of 250 million, which is a nice chunk of 25 million per person, versus 2,750,000 if you are ranking in the 5,000 or to 2,500 individuals, users. So again, the higher you can move up the ranks, the larger your airdrop will be. These adjustments mean that even more of our most dedicated users will see meaningful rewards on top of their regular league allocations. It's our way of saying thank you for your steadfast support. I myself fall within the rank of 5,000 right now. I think I'm like 3,800. So hopefully over the weekend, I'm going to head out again and do some hunting, and maybe that'll bump me up above. Maybe let's aim for this year, 2,500, above that. Although that's a hard push. And the leagues breakdown. Leagues remain the core metric for airdrop eligibility, with each league receiving a proportionate share of the airdrop. Here's a recap of the distribution across the leagues. We got the iron, bronze, silver, gold, platinum Amethyst, Sapphire, Emerald, Ruby, and Diamond, with 1.5 billion tokens being dropped to those guys. And each league is divided into 9 or 10 sub-leagues, obviously. So this league structure provides everyone with a fair chance to earn tokens based on their contributions and engagement. The higher your league, the more you stand to earn, obviously. And then there's the Lucky Silencian bonus. Our Lucky Silencian bonus remains unchanged. We'll be distributing 350 million tokens evenly amongst 100 lucky users. So this is not applying to the top 100. It's just 100 lucky users that will be receiving a share of 3.5 million tokens each. So that's a nice chunk of tokenization. Some advice on climbing, on maximizing rewards with the expanded airdrop. So climb the league ladders, refer program, share your invite code, get 20, because this is going to end too in just a second. I'm going to explain right here at the bottom here. Build your streak multipliers, so make sure that you have your streak of 100 days, then you get 250% multiplier on your rewards. Explore new hexagons, complete daily quests. Quick daily quests provide an easy way to earn in-app coins, although I'm not sure what daily quests they're talking about, because there are no daily quests. There are the achievement awards for things, you know, you receive awards when you complete the quest, but they're not daily quests. There's not like they're updated daily, and there are things that you need to do that you can do in order to get rewarded on a daily basis. There are 23 achievements which are calculated. They're like, you know, well, you know what they are: hexagon hunters and discover new hexagons, and the hexagons discovered. When you hit 25,000, when you hit 50,000, you get rewarded, but there's no daily quests. So I'm not sure what this is referring to. Important post TGE update. After the TGE, our referral program will shift gears. While you'll no longer receive a 20% cut of your referrals, SLC, you will still earn a 20% bonus in-app coins. Not sure what this means. This could be staking, this could be something else. From all contributions made by invited friends. This is a bit confusing. So you will no longer be receiving a 20% cut of your referrals, SLC, but you will receive a 20% bonus from all contributions made by invited friends. What contributions do people make other than participating in noise tracking and receiving? This doesn't really make sense. It phrases the same thing in a different way. This ensures a confirmed flow of rewards while keeping user balances intact. So I'm not exactly sure what this means. Basically, you will not receive a 20% cut of referrals, but you will receive a 20% bonus for all contributions made by invited friends. No idea what contributions they make. Like in-app purchases, there are no in-app purchases right now. Or maybe there are. In any case, go ahead, download the Silencio app. You can download it for your phone on Apple Store and Google Play and get yourself started. If you haven't started mining it yet, download the app, use the crypto father as your ref code, and you will receive 200 points straight away, and you can start collecting data, noise data, towards the airdrop, which is coming up soon. I mean, there is still 3 months left, so you have plenty of time to get in on the game and get yourself up to through the ranks here. Final thoughts: with 7.5% of the SLC supply now allocated for the airdrop, this is the perfect time to engage with more with the Silencio platform. Every action you take contributes to your league ranking, which now offers even more rewarding opportunities with the updated Diamond Hands bonus structure. So make sure to get going, start recording if you want to participate in this bonus. That's it for this video. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, check out the Descent wallet. It's the only biometric wallet with a display. You can pick up 2 of these for a discount, with a discount of $130, or if you get 1 of them, you get a $50 discount. If you're not sure what the Descent wallet is, then please do check out the video that I posted. I uploaded a video review of the wallet and also a tutorial on how to set it up and all that good stuff. So make sure to check those out. Most importantly, remember to share the content and support the channel in that way. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good weekend. Peace.